Presenting a pre-owned 2012 Lexus GX. This 4-door SUV has an 8-cylinder, 4.6-liter V8 engine, with all-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Lexus has less than 102,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 15 miles per gallon in the city, and 20 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Ask to see the free AutoCheck Vehicle History Report. Key features include convenience package, towing package, automatic climate control, navigation system, MP3 player, Sirius satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, moonroof, leather seats, power door locks, stability control, traction control, Bluetooth, and power windows.